Come on, let's
I know you're waiting for the daylight, alright, so am I. Oh, 'cause without it I don't know who I am. Love is unlimited gold. No, it's an open-end resource. On the other side of God, in the land of my own fear. On the other side of God, in the land of my on the other side of God.
nice job, man.
Welcome back, guys.
Hey,
Great job. It's like you've done it before.
oh man, you know, I think I've done it once or twice.
Heck yeah, hop on up. So, what was it like being back up in the air?
You know what? Even though I have many jumps, it still feels like the first time. Love it.
Awesome.
Had an amazing instructor, an amazing cameraman.
Thank you so much.
Skydive Chicago. This is where you need to be.
Right on.
Yeah, buddy.
Right here, guys.
All right. Very good.